Hi guys, let's take a look at this question. Dolphins communicate through the emission of reception of sounds. A young dolphin was separated from his mother, sad, and started whistling at a frequency of 130 kilohertz to call her. The speed of the sound in seawater is 1480 or 1480 meters per second. Explain the term ultrasound. So ultrasound, sound with frequencies that are higher than what is audible to the human ear. I'll just write that down for you at the top. Okay, so it's at the top there. Please study your definitions, guys. 7.2. Calculate the wavelength of the young dolphin's whistle. All right, so let's go to the bottom here. We need a wavelength. Where do we see wavelength calc? There's one, and there's one. So let's check what we have to see. What can we insert to get that upside down Y? That's what I call it. I love doing that sign. Okay, so what do we have? We have the frequency and we have the velocity. So let's see, we'll obviously then use this formula. So I'll jot it down already. V equals to frequency and our wavelength. All right, what is our velocity? Our velocity is 1480 and our frequency is 130 kilohertz. But remember, we can't have kilos here. We just want it in hertz. So we say 130 times 1,000, and that gives us 130,000, and we have our wavelength. And we do our little maths equation, take that over, divide by 1480, and that gives us 0,011 meters. That's our wavelength. And please put your measure, your unit of measure there, and you'll get 4 marks. Don't forget the formula because you do get a mark for the formula. 7.3. Another dolphin hears the distress call of the young dolphin 2 seconds later. How far apart are the two dolphins from each other? Okay, so they want distance. Far apart, they're looking for distance. All right, so what do we have? We have our time. This is time. But remember, we also have the speed of sound here. So we have speed. So we can use our basic distance formula. Remember our little triangle. So we have distance. So we want speed times time. So speed is 1480 times 2. And that will give us 2,960 meters. 7.4. Let me just angle it like this so you know. Okay. 7.4. The speed of sound in air is 340 meters per second. Briefly explain why the speed of sound is different, or speed of sound of air is different from the seawater. Okay, so why do they differ? So one is 340 and one is 1480. So we could say that the speed of sound is slower because it is less dense, and you'll get 2 marks. So the speed of sound is slower because it's less dense. 7.5. Describe how dolphins use echolocation to hunt their prey. You can say dolphins send out a sound frequency, something like that. Or you could say the sound reflects off the prey and returns to the dolphin. Okay, something like that. So let me just go back to 7.4 again, guys. So you can either say that air is slower and less dense, or you could say that seawater is faster because it is denser or more dense than the air. The particles are more closer together than the particles in the air. All right. And that's it, guys. See ya.